Hey, if you want to manage the notifications of TikTok application, all you have to do is just to start from the profile and then tap on the right upper corner and open the settings and the privacy. Now go into the notifications, and from here we've got a lot of options. So first of all, we can turn on and off the push notifications. So we can do this by simply tapping on the switchers, and from here you can actually adjust the comments, likes, videos from accounts you follow, new followers, direct messages, live, mentions, other, and videos you might like. And also you can turn on and off the notification dots, and also we can adjust these interactions right here. So as you can see, you can turn on and off this likes, comments, new followers, mentions and attacks, reposts, posts you interact with. And from here we've got also the push notification schedule. So it looks like this, that you can actually set the start and the end time of this notifications. So when you click on it, it will actually turn off the push notifications during this time. So for example, you can stay from like 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and when you click down, and this time you will not get any notifications from the TikTok. And when you scroll down, you've got also the direct messages notifications right here and the direct messages preview. So below we can also scroll down, and we've got notifications about the post suggestions from accounts that we actually follow. Below we've got also the personalized post suggestions, so posts from people we may know, just right here, the post we might like, the live notification settings, just from here, the weekly screen time updates, and other notifications that people we may like, customized updates and more, and email notifications. So as you can see, that's all, and right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.